Everyone underestimates me, but then they turn their back and I'm like, boo! And they're like, wah! Everyone underestimates me, but then they turn their back and I'm like, boo!
Bullshit like 8 times a week.
Hey boogie oogie bang bang, let's go body body boom boom. Hey boogie oogie bang bang, let's go body body boom boom.
Hey guys, just came back from dance class. Michael, what are you doing in my room? Why'd you lock the door? Oh sh! My face! My face! My face! My face! Ah! Give me back my eyes!
Alright. Tag the creator. Tag the person I copied. I dare you.
Te preocupas se ele te bata, saca, 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 se nem te preocupas se ele te bata, saca, 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 saca.
Yes, they are real. They are from the children that live in my basement. I'm kidding. They're like these little plastic things that I bought online. They're not real. They're fake. Hopefully. They are fake.
Come on, I think they're gone. Our party's coming on. You're either with me or don't be. Bring it in. Would you loosen up? Would you love me? Bring it in. I think they wanna take a picture.
We were playing in the sand, and you found a little band. You told me you fell in love with it, hadn't gone as I planned. When you had to bid adieu, said you'd never love anew.
Backwards, upside down, and inside out. So hold on, or it'll fall down.
Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows. Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows. Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows. I could be a little nasty. I'm a stone cold nasty. I could be a little hot kiss freak that treat me like an animal.
eyes! Give me back my eyes!
She's a 10, but she dyes her hair pink.
She's a 10, but she looks like a man.
She's a 10, but her parents are divorced.
She's a 10, but she has an Adam's apple.
She's a 10, but she listens to BTS.
She's a 10, but she needs to get her roots done.
She's a 10, but she needs to get her nose done.
She's a 10, but she can't even fix her daddy issues.
She's a 10, but she got cheated on, but went back to the guy even though we all told her not to.
She's a 10, but she has man shoulders.
She's a 10, but she can't even do her makeup.
She's a 10, but she needs makeup.
First make a video. Now save it. Make another video on the another part. Now click and choose a video.
Save it.
Omma da porta picchita va bene, se tu la parla piezza americano, quando si fa l'amore sotto la luna, come da bene in cave di I love you, papà l'americano.
You're officially not coming with me.
Freddie, you're supposed to be on lockdown.
Vanessa, life goes on, you know.
Give me a pizza with extra cheese.
Extra cheese.
And hold the tomato sauce.
Hold the tomato sauce.
And hold the crust.
Hold the crust. Hey, Jimmy, give me a cheese with nothing. Nothing?
Sloppy all night, you barely even danced with me.
Don't make me laugh, I've been trying all night. You've been shaking your ass for like half of the height.
Real nice.
You barely gave me a chance all evening. Till I get another dance.
I'm leaving.
The thing next to you is gay.